crafty friends. Welcome to Funday Monday number 6. And today I'm going to introduce you to the yarn winder that my husband surprised me with. I want to introduce this cute little table to you that I found at a Goodwill many years ago, and a good friend who was really good at wood making took the metal top off of it and put this beautiful wood finish to it. And then this is what the bottom looks like. But my husband cut a piece of wood for me so that it would create a nice little shelf on there. So this is what I put my yarn winder on. And then it has this cute little leaf in it that can go up or down. So let's get started. I'm going to try to put this at an angle where you can kind of see what is going on. So we're going to take the skein of yarn and I'm going to do it from the inside. So I want to try and do this where you can see it. So first thing I have to do is wrap the yarn so it goes through that eyelet right there. And then we're going to thread it through this little eyelet right here and then attach it. There's a little, let's see if I can move you so you can see that. I just laid that across in between those two openings right there. And then I have found that kind of giving this a little bit of attention helps the most. But then we just turn the handle and then the magic happens. And that's it. And that's what it looks like so far. And it makes a little bit of noise, but it's not too bad. That just shows you a little bit more what the cake is looking like. Let you have a look at it again. And as you can see, it does not take long at all to make it into a cake. And we are almost done. And there you go. And then you just, I'll grab that in, lift it off. There's your beginning tail. And then I like to just take and tuck this outside tail into a couple to keep it secured. And there's your cake. So we're going to need some blue yarn for an upcoming project, for a Funday Monday project. So if you want to go ahead and get some blue yarn and get ready, it does need to be about 75% blue. And I'll share more next Friday, or this coming Friday, I guess I should say, on what we're going to do with our blue yarn. So have a great week. Hopefully I'll see you Wednesday for Wednesday on the Hook. And if not, for Friday from the cup to the hook conversation. And again next Monday for Funday Monday to find out what we're going to do with our blue yarn. So that wraps us up for today. So have a great week. Be joyful. Be crafty in your own way. Make your own joyful creations. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.